Why is this VGA? Bakit VGA ito? Okay. What? So it's curved, man. Why would you... Oh. Okay, so yeah, we have free HDMI. So, kamsamida. So, buti na lang, merong HDMI cable. Kasi kung wala, it's gonna be so weird, man. Yo, check that out. What? Yo, this is so beautiful, man. Just look at the design. Yo. This is crazy, bro. Nga pala, pag nag-handle pala tayo ng monitor, always hawak dito. Wag dito. Alright, next one that we're going to unbox, keyboard. Alright, so I'm very excited for this one, man, because I have black na Redragon Kumara. Now, this is the first time that I will be seeing all white Redragon Kumara. Yo, I'm excited. Yo, that's sick. Yo, come on. Up. Ooh, the cables as well. Look. Yo, cables all white. Check that out. Ooh, I love that. Sana kumuha rin tayo ng ng puting monitor kasi mahal kasi. Oh, may extra blue switch pa tayo dito just in case magkaroon ng sira. So, meron din tayo patanggal ng teacups and meron tayong patanggal ng switch. So, really nice. From Redragon Kumara. Akin nata, nawala ko na yung ganito. Let's check it out. Yo! Look at that. Yo! What? What? Yo, this is really nice. You can feel that it's really brand new kasi matigas pa yung switch niya. Compared to my Redragon Kumara now, as in, mararamdaman mong parang napaglipasan na siya ng panahon kasi taon na rin yung binilang. As in, first ever mechanical keyboard ko siya. And lagi ko siyang ino-auto jam. You can feel the premium design of this keyboard. It's really durable, man. I'm telling you, no joke. Its price to performance in terms of being durable. Redragon, really awesome with this Kumara keyboard. It's really good. It's perfect. Of course, I'm going to unbox the mouse. It needs to have a pair, my man. As in, it needs to have a perfect pair. The Redragon Storm gaming mouse. So, I really like the honeycomb design. Look at that. From palm to your fingertips, all honeycomb design. Ooh. Yo, look at that, man. Yo, really like the design as well. It's white cables right there, and it's not the typical plastic or rubber type na cable cover. It's parang tela. Yung cable is para siyang yung rock captain ko na matagal ko na rin ginagamit. Which is nice. Ooh, you have some stickers and manual. Oh, ooh, yung grip niya dito sa gilid. It's really nice kasi hindi siya yung matte texture. Para siyang rubbery type, pero makinis. So parang kumakapit talaga siya. Those holes. Yan. Kumbaga, mahalin tulad ko to sa parang sole ng isang sapatos. Para hindi ka madulas basta-basta na nag-hold in place sa paa mo sa lupa. So, similar with this, with the grip, it's not that really slippery. Paghahawakan mo siya. So, really nice. And the texture of, look at this. Really like how it looks. So, parang breathable. It's really breathable for your palm. Because you have that honeycomb design. It's really perfect sa daliri ko, sa kamay ko kasi naabot ko lahat. Check that out. Oh? It's really good. Ooh, this one as well. I like the logo. I really like that Redragon hid their logo here. Hindi nila in-expose dito sa labas kasi all white siya. And having a logo exposed outside with red color is kind of distracting. So I like that they put it in here. So good job, Redragon. Awesome design. Pinag-isipan maigi kung saan nilalagay yung logo. So, good job, good job. So yeah, it's time for us to assemble everything and then test if everything will work.